Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm just going to be showing you guys how I do my nails. I got my kit on Amazon and I'll link everything I use down below. There are a bunch of these different nail sizes and then I'm just going to find the sizes that match my hand. When you have this kit, for each of your fingers, I would take one of the sizes and try to find the one that fits your nail the best and make sure that it's not overlapping too much or that it's not covering enough of the nail. So I just like to lay them all out and then afterwards I can prep my nails to glue them on. I use my nail filer that was included in the kit. I just file the top part of my nail so that the glue can adhere to it a lot better rather than like a smooth surface, so it's less likely to fall off. And then afterwards I use this little brush to clean up my nails a little bit. So next is the glue. And then I just hold it and wait until it dries a little bit. And then I'm just gonna do the rest for the other nails. And so after I'm done gluing all the fake nails, I'm just going to use the nail trimmers. I like to just cut half of the visible nail tip hanging out, and you can definitely choose whatever length you want. And even if they're not really even right now, you can still just use the nail file and shape it down to the size that you want. Though if you're going to start off practicing, I would cut less than you normally would. If you leave more space for errors, then it's easier to fix. So I've trimmed all the nails, and so I'm just going to file them down to an almond shape. And then while I do this, I like to have my air purifier next to me just so that everything that I file, it would get sucked up into the filter so it's not floating around. After I'm done filing my nails to my desired shape, I like to use the brush that's included and then brush off the extra dust, and then I do this while my purifier is on as well. After I'm done with that, it's time to paint my nail. This color is pretty sheer, so it's gonna take me about 3 to 4 coats, so that's what I'm gonna do now. Okay, so after about an hour, I finally finished both of my nails. This is how they turned out. I'm still trying to figure out which shape I like the best, but for now, I really like these long almond shaped nails. I really like using these fake nails because I'm able to customize the size and shape however I like, because it's really hard for me to grow out my nails and have them be strong enough to last more than a week. And I know constantly getting your nails done at the salon can really add up. So that's why I love this option instead. And yeah, so I really hope you guys like the video. Thank you guys for watching.